What is up guys, Dana this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase a Steam game through Apple Pay. So let's get started. First off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Steam or steampowered.com, and after typing, you will be redirected to the dashboard of Steam's website. From there, on the right side at the top, you will see the button of login. Click on that login button, and then if you are new to Steam, just simply sign up with your email password to create your new Steam account. But if you already have an account on Steam, simply click on login and then you will be automatically logged in to Steam. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the left side, you will see the option of install Steam. Click on that and install the Steam application. Now, after installing the Steam application, this is the type of dashboard that will be visible to you. Now, from here, you need to scroll down for the games that you would like to play. And when you choose the game, let's say I want to install and purchase GTA 5. So I'll just click on this add to cart. You first need to choose a game, and after that, click on it once, and this type of page will open. From here, scroll a bit down, and then click on add to cart. And when the game is been added to your cart, a pop-up window will appear on, and you will see the option of continue shopping or and view my cart. So if you want to shop for more games, click on continue shopping, or if you are done, simply click on view my cart. And as you can see, this is my shopping cart and GTA 5 has been added to my shopping cart. Now from here on the right side, I'll click on continue to payment, and I'll tell you guys, Steam does not accept direct Apple Pay payments, but it accepts through via payments like through Visa, through Mastercards, through PayPal, or through prepaid wallet, which is the domestic, or you can use a credit or debit card, which you have also registered on the Apple Pay. So this is how you can purchase a game on Steam. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.